Is hedging style trading is beneficial? How is it possible? It's complicated. No, it's not. Want proof? Check out this video. Hello everyone, I'm Rabia and today I think that I should go and give you proof of my words in this video, because teller are a lot here, but you can see that teller are a lot here in the world of YouTube, but prover are less. So I am gonna share, and I think I should prove my words and give you proof of my techniques and strategies which I told you and recommend you to do that. First, check out my hedging style trading profit of yesterday in three my different accounts. But one account is mine account and the other rest two are my client's account. You can see in my personal account that total balance and profit is 103,888. $10,000 was my deposit amount, and 3,888 was my last month profit. So and also you can see the first client account, client account profit is 303 of today and of yesterday, by which in I used hedging style trading strategy. Second client account profit is also $151. You can also see that, and you can also see that that I shared this also in my Facebook page named Stock Market Bullish or Bearish. You can also like it, and there in like morning I trade on my account by using hedge style trading, and I wrote there early in the morning that I will show the result of my hedge style trading or today at night after closing my positions. So these are these trades were in AUD USD, buying sell, buy one lot of AUD USD, and I also sell as same at that point AUD USD at same point, and also gold 0.50 with the gold 0.50 lot I also buy and sell, and the positions are moving on all the day, and I take profit which trend, which trade, whether it was buy or whether it was sell position, it give me profit. I take it and wait for the wait for the other retracement level of market rest of the day. And date of trade which I'm sharing to you, you can also see that it was yesterday's trades, and now after closing all trades in my that accounts, now I'm gonna show you how much profit I earn also today by using hedge style trading. And you can see that I am in morning I trade in my personal account in like hedge style trading, and the positions were in AUD and in gold, buy sell in both the position. The fourth position gives me how much how much profit. Let's gonna see. You can see that I earn $516 by just using hedge style trading, hedge style techniques without any tension. In sell position remains only one selling position remains in my account, and it's having loss of $180 roundabout, $180 and $79 roundabout, which if I also take at this point now, then my profit is like you can see 516, and the loss of 179 is equal to, you can say I am still in a profitable and gainer position. Like I still have 300 above dollar in my accounts. It still remains, but instead of doing that and instead of taking my loss, I hedge it again and leave this trade for tomorrow, because I know again it will give me profit, whether it will go market will go up or whether it goes side. I'll take the profitable side amount and wait for the 0.5% 50% market retracement, so that I can manage my profit account. Now tomorrow I take profit on which in these trades, and which I show my profit and tomorrow, and so on and so forth. By using hedge technique I am earning a good profit. Even you can see the result of my last month profit. So you also can see that my today's clients two accounts profit also. I'm gonna show you, in which one account is $211 and another account is having profit $177. So proving my own words is also important. Everyone should prove their own words, because I think that when we recommend you for something to do, that we also should do that. So you can trust me, and that I'm also using these techniques of trading which I recommend you, and how it works. I tell you each and everything about it, and I will definitely again show my profit of my remaining one position of Australian dollar tomorrow. And so that for all now, show you the I will show you left hedge position profit tomorrow at the day end. And again now, again how you daily earn profit of my account, and how again what how much profit I earned tomorrow I will also share with you, and I will also show you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Also click bell icon for further assistance and for my motivation and appreciation. Thank you so much.